Good evening, student. Today I am going to discuss about the new topic, the motion of a body under gravity. So when a body is released near the earth's surface, it accelerates downwards due to the action of force of gravity. Clear? So all bodies have the same accelerations. When it released from the earth's surface with a small height due to your absence of air resistance. So motion of such body is called as your free fall. So now look here. So when a body is fall from a small height h, here g is taken as your positive due to the velocity increases. Velocity increases. Second one, when body is projected vertically upward direction, g is taken as negative because v decreases. Similarly, what is the equation of the motion under gravity? You will take in place of a, that is you take g. Clear? Equation of falling body now. V square v is equal to u plus gt and v square is equal to u square plus 2gh and h is equal to ut plus half gt square. So this is the equation of falling body. What is fall from a height h. Clear? So at maximum height v is equal to 0. So v square is equal to u square minus 2gh. Here v is equal to 0 means your u square is equal to 2gh and h is equal to u square by 2g. Similarly, time for ascent, that is in upward direction. V is equal to u minus gt. Here v is equal to 0, then t is equal to e by g. This is your time for ascent. So what is the total time flight when the body goes and come down? Total time flight. Total time flight when the body move up and down, that is t is equal to 2 into u by g. This is total time flight. Velocity attained by a body when fall from a height h, you take u is equal to 0. So here the v square is equal to u square plus 2gh. If u is equal to 0, then v square is equal to 2gh and v is equal to 2gh root over. So this is the velocity attained by a body when fall from a height. At that moment you take u is equal to 0. So this is the sign convention and the equations of a body when fall from a height h near the surface of the earth. Now the relative velocity. Relative velocity. So what is actually relative velocity? The velocity of a body with respect to the velocity of another body is called as your relative velocity. Velocity of a body, A, suppose that with respect to the velocity of another body, B is called as relative velocity. So look here, expression for relative velocity. Take two body A and B. When T is equal to 0, the displacement is x0 for body 1 and displacement is x2 not for body B. Similarly, when T is equal to T, the displacement of the body A, that is your x1 T, and displacement of the body B, that is denoted by x2 T. Clear? Here the move with the velocity VA, and move with the velocity VB. Or here also it is V1, V1, V2. It is also V1 and V2. This is velocity after t second. So after t second, what is the displacement of the body A and B? When t is equal to t, the position coordinate, I mean it means displacement of the body, one is your x10 v1t, for body 2 the displacement. Now subtract the equation 1 from 2, x2t minus x1t is equal to x20 minus x10, already v2 minus v1 in common t, x2t minus x1t, x20 minus x10, this is your v2 minus v1, or it is you to write down in this way, x2t minus x20 minus x1t is x10, the v2 minus v1 t. This is called the relative displacement of the particle 2 with respect to 1. It is your relative displacement of 2 with respect to of the body 2 with respect to 1. So now we write in this way, x2t minus x20 x2 x1t x10 divided by t, it give you v2 minus v1. So this is the relative velocity of a body 2 with respect to 1. Okay, so v21 is equal to v2 minus v1. It is actually v2 plus or minus v1, that is. Okay, similarly v1 to your v1 minus v2, it is actually v1 with respect to this one. Clear? So in this way you determine the relative velocity of a body with respect to another body. This is all about your relative velocity. Notes: relative velocity of a body A with with respect to B, with respect to the body B, write in this way, VAB, that is VA minus VB. Similarly, the relative velocity of B with respect to A, VA, that is, you write down VB minus VA. Third one, when the body A and B, when the body A and B moving in the same direction, parallel to each other, then velocity of A with respect to B, VA minus VB. And when they move in opposite direction, VAB, VA plus VB. This is all about your relative velocity and motion of body under the action of gravity. Tomorrow discuss the numerical creation, tissue topic and the equation of motions at 9 AM.